back to another video. So today's video is going to be me just sitting at home on call. I asked you guys over on Instagram what you guys wanted to see on the days that I'm on call, and a lot of you guys said you wanted to see home life, day-to-day life, and life with kids and cooking and cleaning and all that stuff. So I thought that that's what I would do, and I feel like today's gonna be a perfect day for that because I'm very low on the call list. I really don't think I'm gonna get called, but we'll see, because every time I say that, I always get called or I get used for something, but I honestly don't think so today because it's only day 2 of me being on call. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Allie and I'm a Dallas-Fort Worth-based flight attendant, and I vlog about the flight attendant life and how I balance motherhood and life and all that while being a flight attendant. So if that sounds interesting to you, I hope that you guys subscribe and click your notification bell set to all so that you never miss a video. So right now I'm about to make some lunch, and I'm really excited to just vlog for the day. I have my coffee here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make for dinner, or for lunch, sorry. Okay, so I'm making bulgogi. This is Korean inspired sesame marinated boneless beef ribs. We love to eat this, so I'm just going to cook this and serve it over some white rice. This is what the boys are gonna eat. I'm trying to be a little bit more careful and not eat so much rice, so I'm just going to serve mine over some stir-fry vegetable blend. I got this from Costco. I like to cook it with this garlic olive oil. It's so good. This is when I usually catch up on my YouTube stuff, so I'll have like one AirPod in and just listen to whatever I like to listen to, because I feel like I can't just sit down and watch YouTube videos when I'm at home. And I served it in one of the kids' bowls. After I finish eating, I'm gonna make some soft pretzels, and I'm using a recipe from the Chrissy Teigen's book. It's Cravings, but it's not the first book, it's the second book. So I'm just gonna make them from scratch. I have butter right here. I'm just letting it get to room temperature, as well as a cup of milk. So I'm really excited. I've never made bread from scratch, so you're gonna need all-purpose flour. You're gonna need some baking soda. It calls for light brown sugar, but I only have dark brown sugar, so we're just gonna have to make it work with that. We're gonna need 1 packet of Rapid Rice instant yeast, some kosher salt, 1 cup of whole milk, 6 tablespoons of butter. So here are the ingredients that you will need, and then here are the directions. So just screenshot that. And I'm gonna make the dough. You are gonna need a dough hook. So this is what comes with the KitchenAid. I got this for Christmas last year, and I love it. It's probably one of my favorite appliances ever.
So once the dough was combined, I made it into a little ball and I put it in a bowl. covered it with some plastic wrap just so that the dough can rise, and it's expected to double in size. So I left it there for about an hour and a half to 2 hours.
And so while that's happening, I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen. I really wish I was the type of person that would clean up as I go. Such a bad habit of mine.
So if you guys are newer to my channel, when I was on maternity leave with my 2 youngest babies, I would do cleaning videos and more like homemaking videos while I was on leave. And a lot of people actually liked them, and I haven't done one of these videos in a while, and I don't do these videos anymore in my channel, but I thought that I would add these clips just to give a little bit of cleaning motivation. And plus, I mean, this is all I was doing while I was on call, just waiting to get called. So here I am just doing the dishes. I'm using an e-cloth microfiber cloth and using some Thieves all-purpose spray just to wipe down the counters, wipe everything down. I love using those e-cloths. I get them all the time just because all you do is wet them. You don't have to use any product. I prefer using products, but I don't know, I just feel like they do a really good job at cleaning things down. And then it's time to clean the floors. Honestly, we do this like 2 to 3 times a day because kids, and now I'm mopping the floor, which is actually one of my favorite chores. I know it's random, but I love to mop my floors.
Okay, I'm getting ready to mop the floor, but before I do that, I'm gonna refresh my schedule and make sure that there's nothing on there yet. I forgot for a bit that I was on call, so let me check. Nothing.
After a couple hours, I went in and cut the dough into 6 equal parts, and then I started to roll the dough just to shape the pretzels. And you can find videos online on how you can shape a pretzel, but I pretty much just made it into a U and then just crossed the 2 ends and then just pressed it really tightly to the pretzel so that it would stick. The instructions also tell you to dip your pretzels into some hot water with baking soda before placing it onto a baking sheet. And then at the end, before you put it into the oven, you're supposed to just sprinkle them, and that's what gives them like that shiny pretzel look.
It's 5 o'clock and I am officially off call. I didn't get used today, so I'm still good for another 4 days. So I go back on call tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. So we didn't get used today, but I'm having fun baking, cleaning, spending time with the family. So I hope you guys are liking this little laid back video, just hanging out with me at home. So I have the pretzels now in. They're gonna be in there for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to make the brown sugar and cinnamon mix. So I just realized I didn't even show you the finished product, but they came out really good. Actually, let me see. George has a little bit of the pretzel, but this is what the inside looks like. So you pretty much, to do the coating, you melt 1 stick of butter and then you dip it in, or you coat it with granulated sugar, cinnamon, and kosher salt. It was really good. They're all gone. The boys are eating the... Oh, here, Alex has some. Let me see. So you can see a little bit of the sugar coating, but it was really good. So it's a lot later. The boys are in bed, all 3 of them, and I just came into my office so that I can plan my week out. I feel like this is something that I need to do. I have to plan things. I'm a planner. So I'm sitting down making lists and brain dumping and just writing out everything that I need to do for this week, for work, for YouTube, for the household, just things like that. So I'm just going to sit here and plan everything. If you guys want me to talk about that more in depth, I can. I'm gonna be vlogging tomorrow. I'm gonna do another day in the life tomorrow. and I'm probably going to be talking about planning and all that in that video. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and I'll see you guys in my next video.